Have you ever needed a book from a giant library? Imagine the library is way down the street. The first time you need a specific book, you have to walk all the way there. Find the right aisle, search for the book, and then walk all the way back home. That takes a lot of time and effort. Now what if you knew you'd need that book again tomorrow? Instead of putting it back in the library, you could keep it on a small bookshelf right next to your desk. The next time you need it, it's right there. No long walk, no searching. That, my friends, is caching. In the world of computers and the internet, this bookshelf is called a cache. It's a special, high-speed storage layer. Data that is frequently accessed is stored in the cache, so it can be retrieved much more quickly than from its original, slower storage location. Think of the main library as the primary database or server. It holds everything, but it's slow to get to. The cache is your personal, super-fast bookshelf. It doesn't hold every book in the library, just the ones you use most often. This simple idea is one of the most powerful tools for making our digital world run smoothly and quickly. The whole point is to save time and energy. For a computer, energy means processing power. Let's talk about a type of cache you use every single day. The browser cache. Chrome, Firefox, Safari. Think of your web browser as your personal librarian. First visit. The librarian goes to the main internet library. It gathers the logo, the background images, the text styles, the code. It builds the web page. This first visit can feel a little slow. The librarian is smart. It expects you'll return. It stores parts that don't change often in a special folder. Company logo, navigation buttons, background pictures. This folder is the browser cache. Like photocopies at the front desk. A local, personal collection of web assets. Next time you type the address, your browser checks the cache first. Do I have the logo? Yes. Do I have the background image? I do. It pulls saved pieces from your computer. Very fast. That's why reloads pop up instantly and it saves data on mobile. Your browser isn't re-downloading the same giant logo every time. Now let's zoom out from your personal computer and look at how big systems use caching. Large systems use caches too. Imagine a very popular restaurant. In the back there's a huge walk-in refrigerator where all the raw ingredients are stored. This is like the main database. It holds everything, but it takes time to go in there. If the chef had to run to the giant fridge for every single pinch of salt, orders would take forever. To solve this, every great restaurant has a chef's station, a prep area where common ingredients are kept within arm's reach. Chopped onions, grated cheese, pre-sliced vegetables, and sauces. This prep station is the database cache, a small, super-fast storage area right next to the processor, the chef. When an order comes in for the most popular dish, the chef can grab ingredients instantly and send it out. This is how a database cache works for a large app, like a social media feed. The main database might hold billions of posts. Too slow to query for every feed request. Instead, the system keeps the most recent or popular posts in a high-speed cache. Those posts live in a lightning-fast database cache. When you open the app, it checks the cache first, so your feed loads in a flash. Only for older or less common items does the system go back to the slow main database. By anticipating what's needed most, caching is the secret ingredient that keeps huge platforms snappy. Finally, let's talk about a global-scale cache, the Content Delivery Network, or CDN. A CDN brings content closer to users all around the world. Imagine you want to watch a movie that was made across the globe. In the old days, the signal would travel from one single studio across oceans, slow and laggy. The long distance would make the video buffer and frustrate viewers. That would be absurd, like cooking every pizza in one central kitchen and flying it to you. Instead, pizza chains build local shops in cities around the world. You order and the nearest shop handles it, fast and fresh. The pizza is made nearby and arrives hot. A CDN does the same for videos, images, and websites. It places copies on servers worldwide. Copies live in London, Tokyo, Sydney, and a server near you. When you press play, the request goes to the nearest CDN server, not across the ocean. This dramatically reduces latency and prevents buffering. Videos play smoothly, websites load quickly, and games have less lag. By bringing content closer to users, CDNs create a faster, more reliable internet for everyone. From your browser cache to global CDNs, caching is one brilliant idea. Keep important stuff close by to make everything faster. It's science in action. Remember, cache local when possible, anticipate demand, and keep the hot stuff nearby. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more system design analogies. See you in the next video.